Dive into Annotations. Unlocking the secrets of active reading. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of active reading. One of the key strategies to enhance your understanding of any text is through annotating. By the end of this video, you'll be well acquainted with different types of annotations and how to use them effectively. So, grab your pens and let's get started. Annotation is the practice of adding notes, comments, or symbols to a text as you read. It's a way to interact with the content, making your reading process more engaged and thoughtful. When you annotate, you're not just passively consuming information. You're actively participating in the conversation with the author and the text itself. Before diving into types, let's understand why it's beneficial. 1. Retention. Annotations help you remember key ideas and details. 2. Understanding. They can clarify confusing parts and help you grasp the main concepts. 3. Analysis. Annotations can help you dig deeper, analyzing themes, characters, and arguments. 4. Reference. They provide quick references when revisiting a text. Now, let's delve into the diverse world of annotations. 1. Underlining or highlighting. This is the simplest form. It's used to emphasize key phrases, sentences, or passages. Remember, don't overdo it. Highlight only the most significant parts. 2. Summaries. At the end of a paragraph or section, write a brief summary in the margins. This helps consolidate your understanding. 3. Questions. Encountered something puzzling? Write down your questions. This encourages a deeper engagement with the text. 4. Comments or reactions. How do you feel about a certain point? Agree? Disagree? Note down your personal reactions. 5. Symbols. Develop a system of symbols. For instance, a star might mean important, a question mark might indicate confusion, and an exclamation mark might signify a surprising point. 6. Connections. Relate the text to other texts, your own experiences, or world events. Draw arrows, make notes, or even doodle to show these connections. 7. Definitions. Come across a challenging word? Write down its definition in the margins. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all method. The key is to find a style that works best for you. Annotating is a powerful tool in the hands of a reader. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone eager to dive deeper into texts, annotations can enhance your reading experience immensely. We hope this video has shed light on the different types of annotations and inspired you to pick up a pen the next time you're reading. Happy annotating, and until next time, keep learning and exploring.